Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's Play at Home program. My name is Miss Katie. Play at Home is a program designed for ages 2 and up and their grown-ups to sign up for a materials kit that the library provides. You'll use that kit at home to practice early learning or early literacy skills. You can sign up for next week's kit down below in the comments fields. And if you're interested in today's kit, you can call the library and find out if we have any extras. If we do, we'll be happy to put one aside for you to pick up. This week, we're using some of our senses to talk about different kinds of texture using texture blocks. So you will get 2 blocks included in your kits, and you can describe what these textures feel like to your child, or ask your child to describe them to you. This one is foam, so it's squishy. And this one is cork, so it feels maybe a little bumpy, even a little rough. We have felt and duct tape, fabric, and a shiny mirror. You'll go ahead and use these whenever you like to talk about different textures. You can talk about what you see or what you feel. I don't recommend sticking out your tongue and tasting the texture block. That would be very silly indeed. We've included 2 blocks for you to play some extension activities. You can roll and have your child try to match the textures. Oh, I got foam and felt. That's not a match. Try again. I got felt and felt that time. Good job, me. You can also use these to have a texture hunt in your household. You can roll the cube, and I got some fabric. Can my friends find something that feels like fabric in their house? That one would be very easy. We can find some clothing that feels like fabric. But maybe it would be harder to find something that matches the texture of cork or duct tape, which is very smooth, but also has a little bit of bumpiness to it. So those are a couple more activities for how to use the texture blocks in your home. I hope you have an amazing week as you're playing and learning together. I'll be back next week, Tuesday mornings at 10 a.m. for another Play at Home video. Until then, friends, bye!